Dear Diary, I'm in a hotel right now. My stupid car broke down in the middle of nowhere. My fault, really, for ignoring the check engine light. The guy at the mechanic shop said the part I need will take 5 to 10 business days to arrive. So I guess I'm going to be stuck here for a while. But I met the most interesting lady. She's an artist who specializes in something called macrame. I'll have to go to subscribe to her YouTube channel. She seems pretty cool.
Hi there. Can I help you? Oh, I see you're having car trouble. Did you maybe want to come inside while you wait for a tow truck or something? The only issue is I'm in the middle of filming a YouTube tutorial right now, but that's okay. You can help me film. Come on in. Welcome to my Witchin Halloween series. Today we're going to be making this cute pumpkin decor. Stay tuned. Be sure to take a screenshot of today's project details. Now let's get started. First, you will need your pumpkin. You can use a real or artificial one. Today, I'm using an artificial one I bought at my local craft store. Next, place your smaller cord over top, making a loop, and make sure the ends overlap. We will be tying 2 lark's head knots over top of the section that it overlaps. As per usual, I'll tie the first knot in real time for you, but after that, I'll speed it up. I also would like to point out that if I'm going too fast for you, you can always slow down the video by tapping the 3 dots on the top right corner. And if you're unfamiliar with your knots, you can always check out my knot tutorial playlist. I'll link it in the cards above. Okay, so carrying on with our pattern here, we're going to be attaching the rest of our lark's head knots all the way around the top of our pumpkin. Okay, locate the 2 that were overlapping and then find the tail ends and cinch it up. With the extra ends, I like to tie an overhand knot and then tuck it underneath. Or if you're using an artificial pumpkin, you can always pin it back. Next, we're going to be tying square knots and we're going to go all the way around the stem of our pumpkin. Now I realize that all pumpkins come in different shapes and sizes, so if your pumpkin is bigger than mine, you can always add more lark's head knots around your cord. Just make sure to add in multiples of 4 because we do require 4 cords for a square knot. This is a very simple pattern and is easily customizable. All we're really doing are tying square knots throughout this pattern, so feel free to increase the size if necessary. Also, this pattern looks fantastic around a mason jar with tea lights as well. Okay, I'm just going to speed this up and go all the way around the top of our pumpkin here. Alrighty, so for our second round, we're going to be doing pretty much the exact same thing, only we need to leave a little bit of a gap at the top of our square knot. Because our pumpkin increases in width, we do have to slowly increase the width of our gap as we go along. Alrighty, I'm just going to speed this up and I'll meet you right back at the starting point of this round. Okay, we are now on the 3rd row of square knots, and you guessed it, we're going to be doing the exact same thing, only increasing the gap more. And it should look something like this when you're done your 3rd row. And then for the 4th row, we're going to be doing the exact same thing again. Depending on the shape of your pumpkin, you may need to add more rows or take a few out. It's totally customizable. But when you're ready, we're just going to snip off the ends and add a few picks to the top. To do so, I just weaved it in through the top of our macrame. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for the help today. I really appreciate it. If you're going to be stuck in town for a while, feel free to stop by anytime. I'm actually making Halloween tutorials every single day this week, and I could really use the extra hand. Anyways, thanks again. Oh, if you do come up tomorrow, do you think you can gather up some branches on your way up? Awesome. See you tomorrow.